Think about this for a second. You've probably used a keyboard thousands of times, maybe even millions of keystrokes over your lifetime, typing messages, writing documents, searching the internet. But here's a strange question. Why do the keys F and J have those tiny bumps? Have you ever noticed them? And more importantly, have you ever wondered why they're there? Because those small, almost invisible details are not random. They are one of the smartest design decisions in the history of human-computer interaction. And once you understand them, you'll never look at your keyboard the same way again. Those little bumps on the F and J keys didn't just appear by accident. Their story goes back more than 100 years, to a time before computers even existed. Back then, people used typewriters, heavy mechanical machines that required precision, speed, and accuracy. And in that era, typing was not just a basic skill, it was a profession. But there was one big limitation. Most people had to constantly look down at the keyboard while typing, which made them slow and inefficient, until one man changed everything. In 1888, an American stenographer named Frank Edward McGurran did something unbelievable. He demonstrated that it was possible to type without looking at the keyboard at all. At the time, it seemed almost like magic. People couldn't understand how someone could type so fast without even seeing the keys. But what he introduced was the foundation of what we now call the touch typing method. Touch typing is based on a simple but powerful idea. You use all 10 fingers and rely on muscle memory instead of your eyes. Instead of searching for each letter, your fingers already know where to go. But for this system to work, there had to be a reference point, something your fingers could feel, something that tells them you are in the right position. And that's exactly why the bumps on F and J were created. So why these two keys specifically? Because they're the center of the keyboard. In touch typing, your hands rest on what's called the home row. For the left hand, your fingers sit on A, S, D, F, and for the right hand, J, K, L, semicolon. Your index fingers rest on F and J, and those bumps allow you to find these keys instantly without looking. They act like anchors. No matter where your fingers move, you can always return to the correct position just by touch. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. Those tiny bumps can dramatically increase your typing speed. Studies show that using touch typing with proper finger positioning can improve typing speed by 30 to 50%. Think about that, almost doubling your efficiency just by using your keyboard correctly. And the reason is simple: muscle memory. When your fingers always start from the same position, your brain builds a mental map of the keyboard. Over time, you stop thinking about each letter. Your hands just move automatically. That's how professionals can type 400 to 500 characters per minute, 3 to 4 times faster than the average person. And it all starts with those small bumps on F and J. Here's something even fewer people know. There's another bump on your keyboard, but this time it's not on a letter, it's on the number 5 on the numeric keypad. And it serves the exact same purpose. It helps your fingers find the correct position when working with numbers. Your middle finger rests on 5, your index finger on 4, and your ring finger on 6. And from there, you can navigate the entire number pad without looking. This is incredibly useful for people who work with numbers every day: accountants, analysts, programmers, gamers, anyone who values speed and precision. Now, you might be thinking, do we even need this anymore? After all, we have touchscreens, voice input, autocorrect. But here's the surprising truth. Typing on a keyboard is still the fastest way to input information, even faster than speaking. And it has other advantages too. It's silent, private, and accurate.
You don't have to say your thoughts out loud in front of other people. You make fewer mistakes compared to autocorrect. And most importantly, you reduce strain on your eyes because you're not constantly looking down at the keyboard. So next time you sit in front of your keyboard, take a closer look. Find those tiny bumps on F and J. Run your fingers over them, because those small details represent over a century of innovation, a simple idea that transformed the way humans interact with machines. And the best part? Most people use them every day without ever realizing their true purpose. Now you do. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like, because sometimes the simplest things hide the smartest ideas.